Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So this is the most asked question, and a lot of people have asked me on Instagram, on YouTube, and like wherever y'all meet me, y'all just ask me how did I lose weight. So today I'm here to tell you my weight loss journey, and I'm going to give you a few tips on how to lose weight, how I lost weight, and my personal experience. So let's start now. So guys, it doesn't mean that curvy people are not pretty or not good. I mean, curvy is beautiful. I just did it for my personal reasons. I mean, I wanted to wear this outfit and then it didn't fit me at all, and then I decided one day that I'm going to go ahead, lose weight and get into that outfit, and that's the reason why I took this challenge. And so my weight was 63 kilos and I am currently 48 now, and the maximum weight that I lost was around 18 kgs, 18 to 19 kgs earlier. But now I've started eating normally, and I'm not dieting at all. So I'm going to start how I put on weight. I used to eat junk every day. If you've heard about Theobroma, I used to love their red velvet cakes. I used to eat it every day, and from brownies to cookies to burgers, etc., and etc. And I never used to work out then. So suddenly I had put on a lot of weight, and then I decided I have to do something for my health, for my goodness. So then I started working out. With working out, I started a lot of cardio plus weights, and then I downloaded this app. It's called My Fitness Pal, wherein you whatever you eat, suppose if you eat like a sabzi like paneer makhni, and paneer makhni is not advisable when you're losing weight, like a bhindi example. So if you had bhindi and two rotis, you have to put down whatever you're eating. So that's what I tell you. Your first you put down your goal. If you have to lose about 10 kilos in like 4-5 months, so you put down that, and they will tell you what calories you're supposed to intake. So they'll give you about like 1500 calories or 2000 calories depending on your height as well. So you have to put down all your details, your height, your weight, if you're male, female, etc. And then they give you this calorie that you're supposed to intake in a complete day. So for breakfast, if you eat something, make sure that you put it down in your phone. And every time I used to eat, I used to put down my calorie intake, and then that's how it motivated me to eat only those specific calories. But it's not necessary that you have to do that, but this is what I did personally. And I used to work out. They used to tell me how many calories I'm supposed to burn as well. So I used to go to the gym, work out, and eat that amount of calories, and get rid of those calories as well. And yes, I used to love eating junk, but then even if I had to eat pani puri, don't go completely stop yourself, then you become really depressed. So I used to have pani puri at times if I felt like, but it's the amount how much you consume, it's not what you're eating. So if you want to eat, just cut down about one plate to half a plate, and just start reducing that. So that will help you. And I used to have cheat days as well, because Sundays was my cheat day. But my goal was I had to lose weight quickly. So I should eat just one meal, like a cheat meal. That's about it. So I lost weight in about 4 to 5 months. I know it's crazy, but I went all crazy. I used to do everything possible. Then I used to do yoga as well in the morning. So I used to do Surya Namaskars, about 10 Surya Namaskar in the morning, and I used to go over to the gym in the evening. And you're supposed to drink a lot of water. So this was my trick, what I did. I used to drink about 2 glasses of water before eating my meal. So every time I used to eat, drink 2 glasses of water so that my stomach is almost full, and then I eat my food. I don't know if it's healthy, but that's what I did, because you all asked me, so this is what I'm telling you happened. And I used to eat a lot of vegetables, raw vegetables, plus a lot of fruits. And if you are hungry and if you want to eat some snack, there's something called makhana, which is lotus seeds. You can eat that. That has no calories and it's really healthy. You can put some chaat masala or red chili powder. This could be a snack. And of course, consume a lot of water. Water is really good for your skin and for your health, and it will keep you full. And we start taking a lot of liquids like buttermilk, and juices, etc. This will help you. And make sure that you don't get disappointed if you're doing everything and you're not losing weight. You will definitely see result. Maybe not on your weighing scale, but if you measure yourself, you will definitely see results. And try these things. This is what it helped me. And every time I used to see the weighing scale, I used to cut down maybe 2 to 3 kilos. That was my motivation to go on and on. And I never stopped working out since then. If you stop working out, guys, you're gonna put on all the weight again. So make sure you have to be consistent, and you have to look like, if you have a goal, then you have to go ahead and kill it. Like, just go ahead, just do it. And if you're doing everything but you're not losing weight, I would suggest you to go to a doctor. Check yourself. Maybe you have issues, so just check. And make sure that if you have any health issues, you take care of yourself and don't go crazy and don't lose weight suddenly. So do it in a healthy way. But this app really helped me. It's called MyFitnessPal, so you could go download that. And that's it, guys. This was my weight loss journey in short, and that's how I lost weight. This could be all your answers, all the questions that you've asked. So I hope you like this video. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe. So guys, I'm also on Instagram. It's called Leena Gowda Official. Follow me there. And I will see you soon, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.